Okay, so this is my review on the Skeletool Black Ninja Edition by Texas Tool Crafters. It's going to be an unboxing and review. Let's get started. Now, I don't know if you can read that, but it's Damascus steel, 416 layers, and it's guaranteed to have a hardness of 54 HRC, and they say that's very close to the 154 cm steel they make. So let's see the knife now. Comes in this nice little bag, and they include the instructions, or I guess anatomy paper if you will. We don't need to see that, we know all about it. Alright, nothing different here, except on this side we get our Damascus blade. Very fancy. It's very, very sharp. I'll demonstrate that here in a minute. The size is pretty much the same, the size of the blade. It's a little thinner, which I like. So I'll bring out the other one for comparison. There we go. 154 cm here. See if I can get a side-by-side going. And I'll try to keep from shaking here. I've had a little too much coffee. But if you can tell there, the shape is a little different. Okay, now for the sharpness test, and don't worry, I'm not going to be cutting my finger. You can tell I've got a little bit of knuckle hair there. We're going to try to shave off that hair with this 154 cm blade, and it used to be able to shave pretty okay, decently. I've used it quite a bit. It's a little dull. Let's give it a try. Nothing. Maybe some skin cells. It looks like it got possibly one hair. Now we'll try with our Damascus blade. And mind you, this is the sharpest knife I think I've ever messed with. So let's try that. And now I have no hair on my knuckle. We'll go and look. There are my knuckle hairs. Minimal effort. Very sharp. Here's one more view of each side of the blade. And there you have it.